How to get off or skip the waitlist in DoorDash. Now what you want to do first is to double check all the document details that you're trying to upload by applying as driver in DoorDash. So there are multiple reasons why you are currently like at the top or a huge number of waitlists in DoorDash or maybe a delay. That's because there are some documentation that you have uploaded um, lacking or there are incorrect requirements that you're uploading. So the very first thing that you have to do is make sure that you are at least 18 years or older. So prospective dashers are like in Arizona, California, Colorado, and above. And you have to upload necessary and accurate informations from your vehicle or any car, scooter, or bicycle in selected countries. Now the documentations is going to be involving your driver's license or other form of ID if any dashing via bike only. You also have to make sure that your social security number that you're uploading for background check is correct and accurate. So again, for you to be able to skip or to get off from the wait list for quite a long time is to make sure or double check that you're uploading and providing accurate informations from your documents.